Well, we're back here live, everybody. And we're awaiting the entrance of Destin Vaine, the very cocky and arrogant individual here. And that arrogance has cost him many times here in Black Diamond Wrestling. He cares way too much about his face, and you know that costs him. Destin Vaine has all the tools of becoming a Black Diamond Wrestling heavyweight champion, holding any championship in this company. But Destin Vaine is his own worst enemy sometimes.
Well, that remains to be seen, though. He might just surprise us tonight.
You might be right about that.
You can't count him out.
I would never count him out.
That's the opposite of cheering.
Well, the crowd clearly not behind Destin Vaine here.
From the wrecking yard, weighing 360 tons, he is the one-man wrecking crew, Bulldozer!
Oh, man. Well, here we come, the return to the DiamondPlex in a wrestling capacity.
Bulldozer, a favorite here. Definitely in Black Diamond Wrestling.
Bulldozer, incredibly agile for as big of a man as he is.
Without a doubt. And he's got these people on their feet here.
I'm about to get on my feet for him too.
Yep. So how long has it been since he's actually wrestled here in Black Diamond? It's been quite a while.
It's been a while, yeah.
Because I was here when he got suspended.
Yeah, that was late last year.
Yeah. He got suspended by Timothy Cash for striking an official.
Which was warranted.
Yes.
Which was warranted at the time. Obviously, Bulldozer's learned from his past actions, and he's back here at the DiamondPlex.
Well, hopefully Dozer doesn't have a relapse. Oh boy. That is not a flattering chant, ladies and gentlemen.
Well, the crowd here chanting, "Dozer's gonna kill you," for those at home that can't hear it. And Bulldozer could very easily crush Destin Vaine here. As Dozer goes one-on-one with Destin Vaine. Vaine almost has a look of regret on his face for prompting Dozer into this match.
There you go. Come on. Vaine's doing the right thing.
He's just trying to save his skin.
Why can't we just let the past be the past?
All he's doing is trying to save his own skin. But Dozer's ready to fight.
Whoa.
Vaine avoiding Dozer here.
Protect the face.
Vaine taking it to the outside here. Not quite ready to go one-on-one with the wrecking machine. The human wrecking crew.
Wow.
The crowd clearly behind Bulldozer here tonight. I never thought I'd see that one.
Right. Let's go here.
Those are rallying the crowd here.
I think Vaine is realizing he's not going to get out of this.
He might be realizing the mistake he made by taking this match, but surprisingly taking quick control here. Keeping that side headlock in. Dozer way stronger though.
Yeah. And again, rolling out of the ring.
He used his power to his advantage.
You know, Vaine is smart. You gotta give him that.
You're right about that. Vaine is incredibly smart and gifted here in Black Diamond Wrestling. Like I said before, he has all the tools to become a champion here.
Oh, the Bulldozer got him and hung him off the ropes.
He got him off on that top rope, as you said, and that might be just the mistake that Dozer made that Destin needs to capitalize on here, as Destin has him in the corner.
Oh wow, oh my God. Oh wow, would you slap Bulldozer? Oh no. Oh, a chop. Right across the chest and again. Oh my God.
Man.
Why,
Brutal
Vaine?
chop.
Why?
I would not want to take a chop from Bulldozer.
Why would you slap the Bulldozer like that?
Oh
my God.
It's a roaring clothesline, roaring lariat.
It was one.
Bulldozer.
It was sick.
Man, he almost took his head off with that one.
I believe that was a discus lariat. Oh no. Oh, again.
Another one. He probably popped some blood vessels in the chest of Destin Vaine with that one.
Why would you slap the Bulldozer, Vaine?
Not a smart move on his part.
Vaine, just run. Just run. Just get out of here. Just get. Whoa, wait a minute. Wait a second. I can't see what's going.
I think he might have been trying to go for a chair there. A great equalizer.
Just run. Just get the hell out of here, man.
Vaine is looking to hurt Dozer in this match to hurt Cupac.
Oh, well.
Destin Vaine took control.
Oh, he's setting him up. He set him up and it worked. Well, there's hope
He's
for Vaine.
ramming the head and the shoulder into that post. You know, Destin Vaine is a bit jealous because I think Dozer and Cupac have a stronger bond than Destin ever had with Cupac. Dozer and Cupac do.
So Dozer gets down with the hizzy.
He is down with the hizzy.
Okay. Well, that's nice to know. That's vital information for all you fans watching on YouTube.
Destin Vaine choking him out here. Dozer,
Oh
my God!
Well,
That forearm, just the brutality that Bulldozer pulls out. Another one.
Lord.
That could knock a lesser man out really easily.
Oh, wow, did you hear that? Nice running knee lift.
Oh, and a beautiful neck breaker from Destin Vaine. That might be what he needed here.
Oh, 1 count.
Only a 1 count here.
I don't think Vaine got enough body on body there. And that's a lot of body to cover.
You're right about that.
You can't. Right.
Destin Vaine has control.
Yes, a chin lock applied here.
Chin lock. He's trying to weaken him. Trying to weaken that carotid artery, much like a sleeper hold does.
It's simple.
Keeps the blood flowing to the brain here. Trying to knock the big man out.
If you take out the head, the body will die.
Right about that.
It's a very simple strategy, but very effective. He may be out.
He might have just knocked him out here. No.
Oh no.
Very close.
That arm is up.
Bulldozer's rallying back here.
There we go. These fans will really get behind him.
The DiamondPlex is roaring for the Bulldozer here.
Oh my.
And just throws him off like a kid.
Oh my God.
That was a brutal DDT.
Oh, I'm holding my head right
Man,
now. That is a DDT from hell.
he could have broken his neck right there. My God.
Do you imagine all the weight that Dozer has?
Just coming down on the head and neck of Destin Vaine.
Right.
Dozer still has some control here. Oh, and a sledgehammer right there. And another.
Oh, man. Vaine might be done here.
Whips Vaine into the corner. He's going. Oh! Cannonball in the corner there. My God. He's got to be out cold. That's it right there, everybody. What? How did he kick out of that? How did he kick out of that one?
I have no idea, but I know the Bulldozer came in like a wrecking ball. Oh,
yes, he
God.
did. Dozer's calling for it here.
Miley Cyrus never came in like that.
He's going for it.
Oh, no.
Going for it. Dozer driving perhaps, but
beautiful counter
Destin
there.
Vaine.
Oh, going for the...
Oh, he's got that on prettier. That might be it right here.
These West Virginia fans are such
Dozer
idiots.
just sits up. And Dozer...
That was the unfreighter, not the kill switch.
Dozer's got him.
Uh-oh. Oh, my God.
Oh! That's got to be it, everybody.
Black hole slam.
What? How did he kick out?
It's Destin Vaine, an idiot. Kid, just stay down.
I can't believe Destin Vaine just kicked out of that one.
For God's sakes, just stay down.
Oh, on a jawbreaker. Well, we got our instant replay here from producer Mike Smith.
Oh, that's it. Oh, what a knockout shot. And that was, I'm pretty sure that was...
He's got to be out cold. Maybe not. Maybe he's still, maybe, I'm not sure.
No!
Oh my God!
No! No! Oh my God!
Oh! He hit him with a chip. Come on!
That was smart. Would you want Bulldozer diving on you like that?
I've seen him dive on people. We haven't seen Marshall Gambino since he's done that to him. So, I mean... Oh, Bulldozer certainly won the match here. I bet he doesn't feel like a winner after that chair shot.
Oh boy.
What? I don't know what's going to happen here.
He went for a suicide dive. He got hit right in the top of the head here.
Come on now. Oh my God!
Wow.
He's brutally assaulting Bulldozer with that chair.
You see him as a threat now?
Oh wow.
You see him as a threat
See
right
the
now?
dent in that chair?
Yeah.
Brutal.
Oh no. No. Oh man.
Come on. Not a
Oh,
concerto
my God.
here. My God.
Hey.
Oh my God.
Wow.
He may have just broken some bones here in the face of the Bulldozer.
Oh,
Hey,
my, that is a
come on,
crossface.
and he's got him in a... This is just ridiculous.
Crossface.
Somebody get some officials out here.
Well, what? Well, the match is over, so I mean, these fans saying please don't tap.
Bulldozer might be seriously injured here.
He may.
We need some officials out here. Really?
He may never compete again.
Come on, Ryan Rudolph, do something here.
Oh, what the hell is Ryan
Call
Rudolph?
for some help or
What
something.
is Ryan Rudolph? Ryan Rudolph is helpless in this situation.
Come on. Not again. This is sick.
Well, that's one concerto.
This is sick. Come on. Come on, stop him. Pull the chair from him. Come on, do something.
Oh my God Almighty.
Come on. This is ridiculous. Someone needs to come out here and help Bulldozer.
Who?
Anyone.
Who?
Anyone with any
Cupac?
decency back
Cupac?
there. Yeah, maybe Cupac.
Cupac gonna come out here?
And he
wait a
unmasked
minute.
Bulldozer. Here comes Cupac.
Well, you're too late. The damage is already done.
My God.
I mean,
Cupac came out a little too. Destin Vaine saying he's not just a pretty face.
is Destin Vaine a threat now? You said earlier he needs to take himself more serious so that he could possibly become champion. Is he a threat now?
That's not the way to do it.
That is the way to do it. You make an impact.
He made an impact here, but Bulldozer may be seriously injured. We may not see the Bulldozer wrestle again, and that's a loss.
That's unfortunate.
That's a big loss here.
But that moves Vaine up now, doesn't it? That's one less person he has to go through if he wants to become champion.
I just don't think that's the right way to do it.